Thodi, thodi, thodi. What is thodi, thodi in Spanish?
I don't know.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. We just finished our class from these guests, so it's okay. Give them 5
Yeah.
minutes and then we can get started. Sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, I think I have seen Oscar sir's face.
You've seen him? Oh, okay, wonderful. It'll be wonderful to see him, isn't it?
Yeah. So you made me the host?
I just made you, yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I think everyone's just got up and just getting in. So 2-3 minutes, and you can get started, ma'am, whenever you want to.
Okay, sir.
They have
I think still they are coming now, no?
Yeah,
They
yeah.
have- all of them have not joined.
So you got everybody will get your books by today or tomorrow. All of you. This is the reference. Yeah, your maths book. And yes, sorry, ma'am, I forgot. Shazia kept telling me that this is a QD book. Why are you giving? And I completely forgot. So I'll ask Kausar to collect the QD from you. The QD.
Yeah.
Sir,
And the sixth book also you're sending me, the other book?
Yeah, for a reference, I'm sending you. Yes, ma'am.
sir, the rights don't have the maths book, sir.
You'll get it this week. Okay.
Okay. So the date has been announced to them, the assessment that we were
No,
talking
we have
about.
not. We have not announced yet. So we plan to do next week. Maybe the end of the month. You can just inform them, and then they can.
Should I inform them what I'm the syllabus for that, and
Absolutely, you can.
or can we have a revision recap also for that last month?
Yes,
what we have done?
You can absolutely do that. So,
yeah.
I think
Okay.
everyone's mostly here. We can get started.
Yeah. Okay. Let us start with our class. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Okay. So, as usual, we'll start our class with a small puzzle, maths puzzle that we are going to do now. So just see, screen is there visible? Everyone?
No.
Yes.
It is there now?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So question is, how many squares are in this picture? So take some time, count the number of squares. You know what is a square now? All sides should be equal. Okay. Square means all the four sides of a square should
27. 24.
Take your time and find out the answer. You can write the answer in the chat also. Just a minute. Got it. Okay, is it clear now? Okay, Yahya is saying 18, Muhammad Saqib 24, Abdullah Patel
28. 28. I'm sorry, 28. I'm 28. 26, 26.
Batul
26.
28.
26.
Still, I'm not getting the correct answer. Just count.
Ma'am, 26.
No, it is more
Ma'am,
than
28. 7, ma'am. I'm 28.
that. 28.
The correct answer is 28.
28 is closer, but it's still not the correct answer. You are missing something.
Ma'am, 30. Ma'am, the whole books where we were missing.
Yes. So the correct answer is 30. Who will explain how it is 30? Yes, Muhammad Saqib. Everyone got 30.
Can I explain?
Who will explain? Hamza,
Ma'am,
how many you counted?
we counted only the inside square, but the main square is just the big one.
Main square is also there. Then this square is there. Then the middle square is there. Then this square is there. Understood?
The small squares are also there.
The small squares 4 and then 5. So this way. Just erase this. You count, then you will get 30. Okay, Batul, how many you got? Okay, those who have not answered will answer the next one. Next one also I'm giving you the counting one only. Erase this.
Ma'am, I didn't answer.
Who didn't answer? Name?
I'm Hamza.
Hamza. So next answer you have to answer next one. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Just a moment. Just a moment. I'm sharing it again. Okay, this was clear. Now next question is, count the number of triangles in the picture. Hamza, now count it fast and give me the answer.
It's 10.
Ma'am,
10.
10, 10, 10.
ma'am, 10.
Everybody is getting 10.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Hamza, how many you got? Hamdan, how many you got?
Ma'am,
Aisha
9.
Kazi.
Ma'am, 9.
Ma'am, I got 11.
It is more than 11.
13. Ma'am, 13.
Yes, it is 13.
How
Who
ma'am?
said 13? Hamza, did you count?
Ma'am,
Yes,
How it is 13?
Yes. No, ma'am, it is 14.
It is 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The bigger one, 10. Then this one is
11.
also a triangle, 11. Then this one is there, 12. And then one more is there, 13.
Ma'am, it is 14. The correct is 14.
How come it is 14? Show me how it is 14.
Yeah, ma'am,
1,
it is
2,
14.
3.
Ma'am, can you please?
14.
Okay,
Ma'am,
let's.
can you please do? I can show you.
Ma'am, it is 14, ma'am.
Okay, I'm writing. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Ma'am,
8.
ma'am, please
9.
change your color.
Just a moment. I'm changing color. Any color, yellow. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This bigger one is 10. Okay, bigger one is 10. Then this one is 11. Okay,
Yeah, I told you, ma'am.
11. Then this bottom one is 12. Okay, this one, and this bottom one is 13. Now where are you getting more?
Ma'am, see the ladki's coat, ma'am. There is triangle.
Where beta?
Ladki's coat and a girl's coat. See.
This? No, we are not
Yes.
talking about this. We are just
Ma'am, you told count the triangles in the picture.
picture means this picture. This, so she's a girl. She's solving the puzzle. Okay, she's thinking about.
Are we solving for her?
Oh, you are solving for her also. Okay, fine. So for this picture, it is 13. Okay.
And there are only 9 triangles in the picture.
No, I told you now how it is 9. The bigger one, did you count?
Ma'am.
The bigger triangle. That is the 10th one. Then this triangle is the 11th one. Then this triangle is the 12th one. And this triangle is the 13th one. So this is 13 triangles are there in this question.
Oh, ma'am, I see.
Ma'am, please can you give one more?
One more. One more next time I'll give now. Okay? Because now I have not taken out the picture. So just erase them. Okay. So now coming to our class, what we were doing in the last class, rounding off to decimal we have done. So now we'll do some questions, how we do the rounding off in problems of multiplication and subtraction. The first question is round off each number to nearest 100 and find the product. You know what is product? Product means you have to multiply.
Sum of multiplication.
So what you're doing, 816 into 215. Now you have to round off 816 and 215 and then multiply.
800 into 200.
Yes, 800 into 200 is the answer. So what
1600. 1600.
600. Okay.
We have to write these questions in notebook.
You can write the question and answer also. Okay, Aisha Aga. Aisha Aga, what is 816 rounded off to nearest 100?
800.
Aisha Aga. Those who have already done the first question, just do the second one. Humaira Qasim, can you round off 816 to nearest 100?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, do we have to write in notebook?
Write down in the notebook. Yes, Humaira. 816 rounded off to nearest 100. What is it? Where is she gone?
The second
Yeah.
answer is C.
Yeah, Humaira.
700.
816 to. Yes, Humaira. You were not there in the last class, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will answer 816 rounded
Ma'am,
off
me.
to nearest 100? Aisha,
Can I tell?
Aga, Humaira, Batul, can you answer?
8,600.
800 into, because nearest 100 we are doing. So 800 into 200. So the answer is 8 into 2, 16. And how many zeros I'll put? Total number of zeros. So answer is 1600, 0 and 0. Can you see the answer? Okay. Batul, next question. Round off the number 656 to the nearest 100. What will be the answer? The options are given here.
700. I'm 650. Write with the
Yeah.
pen, okay?
700.
It is 700 because you are rounding off to nearest
700.
100. Okay. Round off the number 336 to nearest 100. Umar is not there. Yeah, Umar, round off.
300.
Umar. Yes, the answer is 300. Round off. Next question. Round off. Muhammad Saqib. Round off each number to nearest 100 and find the product. So 688 to nearest 100 is how much?
700.
Yes, 700. Hamza, 681 to 700 is, sorry, to nearest 100 is how much?
Ma'am,
7.
ma'am, your voice is vibrating.
Voice is vibrating.
700.
681. Yeah, now can you hear me, Hamza? 681 to nearest 100 is 700. Now 909 to nearest 100 is how much?
100.
No. 909 to nearest 100.
900.
Yes,
900.
900. Okay, so what is the answer, Juveria? When you find out the product of these three, what will be the answer? Just do it in your notebook and find out what you will do. 7 into 7 into 9. And then put the zeros. Who has found the answer?
Ma'am, I didn't understand the fourth one. Round
We are
each
doing
number to
first,
the nearest.
second, third. We are doing fourth one only, na? Anybody has got the answer? This one we are doing. Who has not understood this question? How to round off? Aisha Qazi, did you understand?
Yes.
8 rounded off to nearest 100 is 700.
I don't
681 rounded off to nearest 100 is 700. 909 rounded off to nearest 100 is 900. Now when you multiply all three, what is the answer, Humaira? Humaira, can you multiply 700 into 700 into 900? Anybody has got the answer? Just multiplication you have to do. Batul?
Ma'am, I don't understand.
Who? Aisha? Qazi? You are not understanding?
Ma'am, you are on which question number?
I am on question number 4th.
Ma'am, second one it is written round off the number 656 to the nearest 100. So we have
Yes.
to round and then we have to write the answer.
Answer,
Matlab the,
yeah.
in the
Just
option
tick
the
mark.
answer is there.
Only answer,
The
yes.
option.
Answer is there in the option. Okay. So what is it? 7. Nobody has multiplied till now. Abdullah, can you multiply
2013, ma'am. I think so. 2013.
I don't understand.
this question? No, direct multiplication I don't want. I want 700 into 700 into 900. Okay? So
700 into 700 is 1400.
No.
1400.
We are not adding. We are
We have
multiplying.
to write it in the notebook.
Yes, write down in the notebook. 700 into 700 is not 1400. You are adding it. I have to multiply. Multiply means 7 sevens are 49. Okay? Understood? 7 sevens are 49 and 49.
Ma'am, is the answer 441000000?
0. Yeah, 6 zeros will be there. Yes, very good. The answer is, who has given me the answer?
Aisha Kazi.
Yeah, Aisha Kazi. This is the correct answer. 441. If you multiply 7 into 9, you are getting 441. Okay. So answer is 441. How many zeros are we going to put? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. So 6 zeros you put over here. So this is the answer for this question. How many zeros I have put? 4, 0, 5 and 6. This is the answer. Just check question number 4. Those who are not getting question 4, this is the answer. Is yellow color visible? Should I change it to the next other color?
It's visible, but do it more mota.
Mota? Okay, I'll do it with red pen. This will be fine. Okay. Round off the number 548 to the nearest 100. Now,
500.
500.
yes, it is 500.
500.
It's clear to everyone how it is, Hamdan? Is it clear how it is 500?
Yes.
Okay. So the answer is 500. Now next question, everyone do it and give me the answer. Round off each number to the nearest 100 and then find the product. Product means multiplication, not addition. So, Humaira, 501 into 409. 500 round off to nearest 100.
500
Yes.
and
Is Humaira-
400 and 400.
Yeah,
So 500 into 400.
correct. Humaira is answering. Who is answering?
Aisha Kazi.
Aisha, you are answering all the questions. Juveria, can you tell
Ma'am,
me?
the answer is 200,000.
You have to write the questions and answers both.
Ma'am, the answer is 200,000.
Ma'am, we have
Answer
to
is,
write the question and answers both in the notebook.
yes, write down this. Just
Ma'am.
write down 501 into 409, round off, and
Ma'am,
then
it
write
is
answer.
21,000.
20,000, ma'am. 20,000.
Ma'am, 200,000. Ma'am, 200,000.
20,000.
20, 5 fours are 20, and then 4 zeros, okay? 1,
200,000.
2, 3, and 4. So it is
200,000.
200,000. Okay. The answer is 200,000. Is it clear how we are doing? Juveria, is it clear to you? Okay. Usman, is it
Yes,
clear?
Yes.
Is it clear? So do the next question. 626, round off 626 to nearest 100. What is this one? 626 to nearest 100.
600.
600. 262 to nearest 100. How much it is?
300.
300.
300. And 893 to nearest
900.
900.
900. Abdullah, what is the product? What is the multiplication of all the three?
900.
No, what is the product, Abdullah? Product
Ma'am,
means
can I tell?
Ma'am.
multiply all three and give me the answer.
Ma'am, the answer is 108,000,000. 108 million.
Which question you are doing? This one I'm asking. 600
7.
into 300 into 900. So how much is the answer?
600 into.
Anybody has multiplied? Abdullah, did you multiply?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer, Abdullah?
300 into 900 is
Ma'am, the answer
Ma'am, I
is
sent it.
162,000,000. 162 million. 162 million, ma'am.
160.
Ma'am, 162 million.
And how many zeros are there? 60.
162 million.
Correct.
The last answer is, you know what, 600.
Number of zeros are correct. I have written correct. 1, 2, 3,
No.
4. No, one
Yes,
extra
no.
zero. One extra zero I have put, na?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now it is correct.
Ma'am, the last answer is A.
Okay, Usman. Usman already given. Humaira, can you do this question? Round off the number 590.
600.
Ma'am, I can hear. Please tell.
Ma'am, what is 600 into 300? It is 900, no, ma'am. No.
No?
It is 1200.
No,
It is 1800.
1800. See, when you have to multiply, don't add. Multiplication and addition are two different things. When you are doing addition repeatedly, then it is multiplication. So 600 into 300 will be 1800, not 900. 600 plus 300 is 1800. And 600 into 300 is not 1800. It is 1840. So how much is it? 180,000. Okay.
180,000.
600 into 300 is how many? 4 zeros will be there. And then 2 more zeros will come if you multiply by 9. Okay, last answer. Hamza, last answer. Round off the number 598 to nearest 100. How much it is?
600.
Yes, it is 600. Okay, so this question.
Ma'am, don't stop staring the screen. Not done.
Copy.
Copying. Rest everyone has done. Muhammad Saqib got all the answers.
Yes, I've got.
Yes.
Okay. Ziveria got all the answers.
Ma'am, I'm on the last question.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Humaira, Qasim, you're not doing?
Ma'am, I did it first.
Ma'am, I want to ask you something. Ma'am, you
Yes.
off and then we have to multiply, na?
What? Come again? I didn't hear.
We have to round off, like it is 500 multiplied by 409. So we have to first round off to nearest 100, then we have to multiply.
Multiply, yes. Because they have written in the question, round off each number to nearest 100 and then find the product. Product means the answer after multiplication. Okay. So everybody has done. Batul completed?
Ma'am, just a second.
Ma'am,
One last question.
Don't write all the options. Just write the answer directly. Okay. No need to write A, B, C, D.
Okay,
Just
ma'am.
write the answer.
Ma'am, but I wrote.
So next time don't write. It's not required. It is just for your, here for classroom we are doing it. Okay. Okay. So I'm erasing the answers. Fine.
No, ma'am, wait, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm done. Ma'am, I'm done.
Ma'am, wait.
Humaira,
Ma'am, I don't understand.
Ma'am,
what
I'm
you have
done.
not understood, Humaira? This we have already done in the last classes. What you have not understood, just ask. Rounding off to 100 or rounding off to 10. What you have not understood? Yes, Humaira. Tell me. Okay, done now. So we are moving to the next.
No.
Ma'am, I was writing.
Which question?
Ma'am, 7th one.
Okay,
on
leave it if you have not written. So many questions are here also. Okay, now coming here. Round off each number to the nearest 100 and find the product. Okay, who will answer now? Aisha Aga, can you answer? 383 round off to nearest 100. What is 383 rounded to nearest 100? Yes?
300.
383. Which number you are underlining? 3. 8 is
400.
yes. So and this is 400. 718. 718 to nearest 100. Batul, what is it? 718 to nearest 100.
700.
Yes, 700. Rashta, you are there? 174 rounded off to nearest 100. How much it is?
200.
200. Yes. So multiply all three. What is the answer? What is the answer? Anybody?
56 million. 56 million.
Yes. 56 million. Muhammad Saqib, you're not doing? Number of zeros are correct?
So I have to write in the book.
I'm 400
Notebook.
into 7. So 7
56 million.
7 fours are
that is
20.
21. So it will be 21.
No. 7 fours are 28. 7 threes are 21.
Ah,
7
sorry.
fours are 28 into 2 is 56. Abdullah, next question. Question number 10.
Round off each number to nearest 100 and find the product.
So what is
700.
correct?
700 into 900.
What is the answer?
900. 7 into 9, 5 is 45. 9 6 is 54. 9 7 is 63.
Okay, then
63 and 4 zeros.
okay, very good. 63 and 4 zeros. So how much is it?
Can I do a sum?
630,000.
Can I do a sum?
Okay, do the next sum. Okay, you do the next one. Ibrahim, you do question number 12. Question number 11. Question number 11. Juveria, can you do question number 11?
Can I do?
822. Juveria, 822 to nearest 100. How much it is?
8,000.
Options are given.
800.
Yes, the answer is 800. Ibrahim, question number 12, done by you or not? 195, how much it is?
It is 200 and 478 is 500. So 500 multiplied by 100, 200 it is equal to 1000.
It is 1000? Are you sure?
500 multiplied by 200 is it is 10,000.
10,000.
10,000. Sorry.
I think it is 100,000. Just see. Check 5 twos are 10 and then 4 zeros. So how much it is? It is 100,000. Right?
Ma'am,
Oh.
it is the answer will be 1000. 5 multiplied by 2.
5 multiplied by 2 is how much? 10?
Yes.
You wrote 10. Then how many zeros are there? 4 zeros. So after that you have to put 4 zeros. So total 5 zeros will be there. So this is 100,000. Answer is 100,000.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay? Okay, no problem.
Can I answer the next one?
Okay, first tell me your name.
I'm Aisha.
Yes, Aisha, answer the next question. Round off each number to nearest 100 and find the product. What is 285 to nearest 100?
300.
300. Next question, Omar, you have to answer, okay? 300 into, what is 474?
I'm 45 and 6 zeros. Answer, ma'am.
Who is giving me answer?
Abdullah Patel.
500.
Okay, Abdullah, let us check. This is 500 and next
Ma'am,
one
the
is
correct answer is 45 million. Ma'am, in the
300.
13th, 45 million.
Okay, 9
Yes.
fives is
Ma'am,
45 and 6 zeros.
Ma'am,
6 zeros. Yes, correct answer, Abdullah.
ma'am,
45 million.
Yes, Omar, are you ready with the next answer?
ma'am.
Yeah, who is asking?
Aisha Kazi, ma'am. My connection was low, so I just left and came again. So I did not. Can you explain again?
Yeah, sure, I'll explain. Tell me your name. Who is this?
Aisha Kazi.
Okay, Aisha Kazi. You were giving me answer, na? 285 into 474 into 313. 285 rounded off to 100 is how much? 300. 474 rounded off to 100 is how much? 500. And 313 rounded off to 100 is 300. So if you multiply 5 threes are 15, 15 threes are 45. And how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 zeros. So you are getting 45 million. Okay. Answer is 45 million. Okay. Next question. Hamdan, can you answer? Round off each number to nearest 100 and find the product. So 220 to nearest 100 is how much?
Ma'am, 200.
Yes, 200. 784 to nearest 100 is how much?
800. 800.
800.
Ma'am, 32 and 7 zeros.
Ma'am, into 200.
Into 200. Find out the product.
32 and 7 zeros.
How 7 zeros?
Ma'am, 32 million. 32 million. 32 million.
It is 32 million. 6 zeros only.
6
Total
zeros.
zeros are there. So 6 zeros.
32 6 zeros.
Yeah, so 32 million is the
The
answer.
15th one is 544 rounding
544
off
round is
to
500.
500 and 827 is 800.
Ma'am, but
Yes.
200 into
630
800
is 600. 500 into 800 into
To
600.
600. Yes. What is the product?
500 into 800 is 40,000. 40,000.
Okay. And
Then
40.
Ma'am, the
40,000 into
answer is
60,000 is
the answer is 24000000.
How many zeros? 7 zeros.
Yeah.
Yes. Correct answer. So 240 million, right?
Yes.
That is the answer. Everyone got this answer? Understood how to do this?
Wait.
Now
Please
we'll.
Ma'am, please, I'm not done writing. Just a second.
Ma'am, 240 million.
240 million is the answer. Everyone done?
Zero.
Yes.
No.
240.
And the last one has 7
7 zeros because 1 zero comes from here. 8 5s are 40. So 1 0 comes from here and rest 6 zeros.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Number 5. 5, 4, 4 divided by 8, 2, 7
Who's
divided
speaking?
by, sorry ma'am,
The sum now.
divided by
Okay, mute yourself. Okay, moving on to the next topic now.
just a second, I'm not done writing.
Okay,
Only
complete
1
it.
minute.
Ma'am, we have to write the whole questions now.
No, don't write whole question. Just write this thing and write the answer like this. Okay?
Thing, ma'am.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
am writing
It's covering my screen.
I'm writing the whole question.
Don't write whole question. Okay, we have done. You have understood, na? Should I erase? Oh,
Yes.
gone. Answer is gone now. Moving on to the next. Okay, this we are not doing. I'll give you in homework. Okay.
And what was the 11th one? 300 multiplied by 500 multiplied by 300.
One. Which one? This, which 11?
Don't give homework. 300 multiplied by 500 multiplied by 300.
Okay, I'll not.
Can we do it now?
Now, okay, some more questions we'll do now. Please mute yourself. Some disturbance is there. Someone's mic. Okay, now we are going to start with operation of large numbers. Large numbers means millions and 100 millions, 1,000 millions, like the numbers we were doing right now. So operations means we have to do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of large numbers. So what are the terms that we say? Addends means the numbers which we are adding are called as addends. You have to remember the terms. Sum means when you get after addition, the answer is called as sum. Minuend means the number you are subtracted from, the bigger number. And the subtrahend means the number being subtracted, which you write at the bottom. Difference means answer of the subtraction and regrouping.
Can you do? Can you tell again?
I will tell you when we are doing the question. I will once again tell you what is it. Okay. And regrouping is carrying or borrow over. So let us see, and I'll explain. See, I have to add 739 and 274. So these two are called as addends. Okay. What are these called as? Addends. 739 is addend. 274 is addend. And what is the answer called as? Answer is called as sum. When it is asked, find the sum of 739 and 274, that means this is called as sum and these two are called as addends. And now what is this? This is called as carryover. Now how do we add? While adding, if bigger number, see, this is just,
I just understand.
So see, this is just 3-digit number. So what is the first step that you have to do? First of all, write the numbers in the form of columns. And how you will write? Ones under ones, tens under tens, hundreds under hundreds, and so on. Thousands under thousands. So this way you have to write the number. And then you will add. How you will add? 9 plus 4. You know how to add. 9 plus 4 is how much? 13. So 3 will come here. 1 will go over here as a carryover. Carryover is also called as regrouping or carryover. Okay. So 1 goes over on
and
the top.
in minus it minus borrowing.
Borrowing, correct. Very good. So 1 goes over here. Now you will add 3 plus 1, 4 plus 7 is how much? 11. So 11, 1 will come here because 1 digit only you can write, and 1 will go again as a carryover to the next digit. Now 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So sum is your 1013. Now tell me, anybody has doubt in addition? Addition of bigger numbers. Will you be able to do?
Yes.
You give a sum to us.
I'll give you some. Now I'll give you bigger numbers. Who didn't understand? Aisha Aga.
Can I explain again, please?
You want to explain, Ibrahim?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Ibrahim, you explain.
So first we will see that ones place, that is 9. So 9 plus 4 count as 10.
Before that, what you are going to do, Ibrahim? Before that, what you will do? You have to write in which way?
Means?
See, any number, suppose I am giving you add 739 and 274. So how you will write? You will write like this, na? In the form of column, and
Column.
should be under ones only, tens should be under tens only. Understood?
Yeah.
So that you have to explain. Otherwise, your answer will be wrong. Okay.
See, the 9 should always we should write in the column format, and then the ones place should be in the 1. So 9 should be under 4. 4 should be under 9, and 7 should be under 3, and 2 should be under 7. And we will write in the standing column format. So 9 plus 4, it is 10, 11, 12, 13. So it's 13. So first we will write 3 down under the line, and we will carry 1. And then we will write 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. And 10 plus 1, we will on the up we will count of 1, so it is 11. So we will write 1 here and 1 down. Then we will write 7 plus 2, it is 9. And 9 plus 1 is 10. So down we will write 10. So the answer is
1013. Is it clear now, Aisha Aga? Is it clear to you?
Ma'am, we learned this.
You have already learned, but for smaller numbers you have done. I'm giving you bigger numbers so that you practice this, because then we'll be doing, see, you have to add this. Now, how will you write? Just write down in your notebook, add this and this.
I didn't hear anything.
Who?
I explained it now, full.
Your voice is not coming.
Ma'am, my voice is clear to you.
It is audible. Check your network connection. Increase your volume of the device. Okay, just give me this answer. 350. How? What is the first step you are going to do? You will write.
In the
First,
column.
write it in the form of column. Ones will be under ones. Tens will be under tens. And since it is addition, any number can be written on the top and any number can be written at the bottom. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to show the method or direct answer.
We have to write it in
No.
the notebook.
Can we write the direct answer?
No, just write it in the form of column and then write the answer. How will
We
you do
write
it?
yeah, ma'am, we have to write it in the notebook.
Yes, write it in the notebook.
Yes.
Ma'am, now don't erase. Matlab, don't change the slide.
Just write the question, arrange it in the form of column like this. Okay, I've given you answer also.
Ma'am, change it, please. We want to do by ourselves.
Yeah, Jinx.
Okay.
Yeah, Jinx.
Anybody has got the answer? Muhammad Saqib,
Now what we have to do?
you have to add this and this. It is given on the sheet.
The answer is 1014.
10148476.
Okay. 10148476.
Ma'am,
Yes,
don't show
correct
it.
answer. This is the correct answer. Okay, next question. Those who have completed the first question. Next question.
No, ma'am, don't.
And see the second one, you have to add 3 numbers.
You have 3 numbers in second question. And now you can see.
I can't see the screen.
Rest everyone can see the screen.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
What's going on in chat? No maths in chat, Abdullah? Done this question?
Ma'am, I got the answer. Ma'am, I got the answer.
What is the answer?
7810
10100.
10100.
Ma'am, I can't see the screen.
Ma'am, I also got it.
Okay, let me check the answer. 7810100 is the answer for everyone.
Yes.
First one.
Ma'am, I can't see the screen.
Hamza, you cannot see the screen?
No, ma'am.
Just log out and log in again.
The answer is 78100.
Ma'am,
Yeah, did you get the answer, yeah?
yes, ma'am. Now I can see the screen.
Yes, okay. Then do the question.
Ma'am, where is it? Okay.
All of you completed this question. Can I change the slide now?
No,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, we can change,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Okay, complete it fast. Okay, those who have already done, I'm giving you one question to you. Write down 1012
we will
plus.
to ask you something. See,
Yes.
we add 41674938014 and 36045787. So, ma'am, 38014 is the smallest digit number. So, ma'am, see now 416 and 41 and 36 are khali. So, between me there is nothing.
Nothing means 0. See, nothing means you want to write 0, you can write. Okay, even if you don't write, that is fine. So it's not necessary that you need to write. You can write 0 also, or you can leave it as it is also.
Ma'am,
Okay.
1012 plus
1012 plus 42
42
plus 301 plus 56
plus 301
plus 56708.
56
708.
can change the slide now.
708.
You can change now.
Okay, I'm giving you one question. I'm writing it over here. 101.
Ma'am, 58063.
Who has done?
Abdullah.
Abdullah, you
Abdullah
are using
did.
calculator, yeah?
Don't use calculator, huh?
No, ma'am, I did it in notebook.
Okay. Show me your notebook. Have you written it in the form of column?
Column means, ma'am.
Like this, columns.
How
Ma'am,
column?
Ma'am,
Like
I
it is
got
shown
the
over here on
answer.
the slide.
Ma'am, I got the answer. It is 58063.
Okay. 5, 6.
58063. 58063.
Okay, Abdullah, show me your notebook.
Ma'am, I can't do the screen. हाँ पढ़ा करो.
Is it clear the question?
5,
101 plus 42 plus 301 plus 56708.
Ma'am.
What is the answer?
58063.
Yes, Abdullah. Show me the answer. Tell me the answer, Abdullah.
Ma'am, I don't know the answer.
560
Check this now, na, Abdullah.
58063, ma'am.
Okay.
And do I have to even write the question and the answers, or should I just write the question? I don't know your question.
Written at the bottom.
Oh, I can't find the
I'm
answer.
about to complete the question.
Just write down this question. Time is over, so I'll just stop sharing now. Written,
Ma'am,
everyone.
Please, ma'am, wait for 2 minutes. I'm just writing
Okay.
down this question.
Okay.
Ma'am, give more questions.
Ma'am, finish. Can you write? Ma'am, we have to do this red one also.
Yes.
Ma'am, somebody is sending chat, so I cannot see the question now.
Don't check chat messages. Answer is given in the chat, na? What is it? 2589326999. What is it, Aisha Kazi? Which answer is this?
Ma'am, I wrote it by mistake.
Okay. Usman 58063. Which answer? Okay, this answer is correct, Usman. Okay. 58063. Is the wrong answer, Muhammad Saqib. 58063 is the answer. Okay. Muhammad Saqib, check your answer. Last digit 0 is not there.
Ma'am, in the chat I wrote 0 by
It's
mistake.
50, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Abdullah, did you do it without calculator?
Yes, ma'am, I did it without calculator only, ma'am.
Okay, good then. 58063.
Yes, ma'am, I was the first one to say, ma'am.
Yes, you were the first one. Very quick. Okay, next question. Next, I'll be giving in the next class. So we'll be doing subtraction, multiplication, and division also afterwards. Okay. But addition is clear.
We did multiplication. Oh, sorry, we did round off. Ma'am, we didn't do a round off division.
That is okay. Multiplication we have done now, so you can do division also.
Ma'am, so how we will understand division ka alag method maybe.
Okay, I'll give you division question also then in the next class.
Ma'am, no homework today.
I'll send you homework on Google Classroom. Okay, addition question only I'll give.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. See ya. Bye, 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 bye.
Bye. Enjoy your weekend.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am, there is no session.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.